If between any two quantities there be inserted two arithmetic means a1, a2, two geometric means g1, g2, and two harmonic means h1, h2, show that g1, g2 is to h1, h2 is equal to a1 plus a2 is to h1 plus h2. So let us suppose that those two quantities are m and n. So what we are given in this problem is that m, a1, a2 and n are going to be in arithmetic progression, m, g1, g2, n are going to be in geometric progression, and similarly m, h1, h2 and n are going to be in harmonic progression. So let us consider the expressions here. So first we have to find a1 plus a2. Now a1 plus a2 we can write this as, what can we write a1? a1 can be written as m plus common difference, m plus some common difference d. And what is a2? a2 can be written as n minus some common difference, so I can write a2 as plus n minus d, and therefore you will get a1 plus a2 will be equal to m plus n, right? Now what is g1, g2 going to be? g1, g2 is going to be, we can write g1 as m times some common ratio r, this is g1, and g2 is going to be n times n divided by r, right? So n divided by r is g2, m times r is g1, so we get g1, g2 is equal to m times n. Now let us come to the harmonic mean section. We know that if m, h1, h2 and n are in HP, we also know that 1 by m, 1 by h1, 1 by h2 and 1 by n are in AP, right? So let us write h1 and h2 only in terms of m and n. So we get 1 by m plus 3 times the common difference should be equal to 1 by n, and therefore you get d is equal to 1 over 3 times 1 by n minus 1 by m, and this is equal to m minus n divided by 3 times mn. So we know what is the value of d. We can find out what is 1 by h1. 1 by h1 is going to be 1 by m plus the common difference, which is m minus n divided by 3 times mn. This is equal to, the ratio is going to be 3 times mn, 3n minus, so this is 2n plus m, right? What is 1 by h2? 1 by h2 is going to be 1 by n minus the common difference, which is m minus n divided by 3 times mn, and therefore you get 3mn. 3m minus m is 2m plus n. So we know what is 1 by h1, we know what is 1 by h2. What is 1 by h1 plus 1 by h2? We simply add these two terms. So we have 2n plus n is 3n, then m plus 2m is 3m, divided by 3 times mn, and this is equal to m plus n divided by mn. This is equal to a1 plus a2 Remember that A1 plus A2 is m plus n. Mn is G1 times G2. And if you take LCM on this side, you get H1 plus H2 divided by H1 H2 is equal to A1 plus A2 is to G1 G2, right? And we are almost done. So this means that H1 H2 let me write it then. I bring G1 G2 to the numerator this side, so we get G1 G2 is to H1 H2. This should be equal to A1 plus A2 is to H1 plus H2, and we are done.